So, as you know, we're talking about this hurricane here. Hold on, it might be freezing moment. It might be freezing right now. Okay. This hurricane here was about to hit land. We're not hit land, so due to this tropical storm right here, it's looking like it's starting to die now, but it's in back up here. Alright, now, no. So go drop over here, then go right back to here. But at the time it'll be like back to a tropical storm. It's their prediction at least. I get back down here because it's lagging out my computer like crazy. I don't know what's going on, but my CPU usage was way lower than this when I was previewing it. So I'm so sorry for the lag of getting me, so it's hurricane. Let's check out the loads. So yeah, it's the eye is very close to land, so it's already thousands of people out of power already. So this is really not good. This is a massive hurricane. So we're back down to category 3. Thank God. It's 150 miles per hour right now. 115. So let's go view this. Let's see what it says on here. Maybe load. So this is Hurricane Matthew. It says right here. And Matthew just off coast, life-threatening storm surge incoming. So you can totally see that the wind is like 150 miles per hour. See if I can edit this. No, I can't. Sorry about this. Winds are 150 miles an hour. It pushes 947, know what that means, but MP. So for the strongest one is... Get it, there we go. That red spot over there, it was a category 5, 160 miles per hour winds. That is pretty strong. Not gonna lie. So, right now, its current date. Oh, come on. There we go. It looks good up, good. Well, it might look like it might die over here. Start dying over here. Turn back over here. Since there's a hurricane over here, go deflected. That's what I predict at least. And yeah, my prediction, if it stays up, it could go through here to Mexico. And it cause some damage over here if it's still powerful enough. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.